Hello, iLEAP Club senior members. Academic vocabulary strengthens your writing, speeches, and debates, making your ideas clearer, smarter, and more persuasive. Strong words show strong thinking. Judges and teachers reward precise language, while simple words lower your writing score. When you use academic vocabulary, your arguments become more powerful and professional. This one skill can boost your essays, speeches, and debate performances immediately. Remember this rule. Simple language creates weak impact. Academic language creates persuasive impact. There are certain words you must stop using in serious writing and speaking. These include very, good, bad, things, a lot, say, think, make, and help. These words sound basic and unclear. Your goal is simple. Replace them every time you see them. Instead of saying very big, say enormous or substantial. Instead of very small, say minimal or insignificant. Instead of very important, say crucial or essential. Instead of very serious, say critical. Very fast becomes rapid. Very slow becomes gradual. Very tired becomes exhausted. Very strong becomes powerful. Very weak becomes fragile. Very bright becomes brilliant. Never use very in academic writing. Instead of good idea, say effective strategy. Instead of good result, say positive outcome. Instead of good example, say compelling example. Instead of good reason, say valid justification. Good choice becomes informed decision. Good behavior becomes appropriate conduct. Good quality becomes high standard. Good effort becomes sustained effort. Good leadership becomes strong leadership. Good student becomes diligent learner. Instead of bad habit, say detrimental habit. Instead of bad result, say negative consequence. Instead of bad behavior, say inappropriate conduct. Instead of bad choice, say poor judgment. Bad effect becomes harmful impact. Bad situation becomes adverse situation. Bad influence becomes negative influence. Bad mistake becomes serious error. Bad problem becomes significant issue. Bad weather becomes extreme conditions. Instead of big problem, say major challenge. Big change becomes significant shift. Big difference becomes substantial difference. Big impact becomes profound impact. Big success becomes remarkable achievement. Big failure becomes serious setback. Big goal becomes long-term objective. Big idea becomes central concept. Big event becomes major occurrence. Big risk becomes considerable risk. Instead of small chance, say slight possibility. Small problem becomes minor issue. Small amount becomes limited quantity. Small detail becomes subtle detail. Small change becomes marginal improvement. Small mistake becomes minor error. Small group becomes small cohort. Small number becomes limited number. Small impact becomes minimal impact. Small space becomes restricted area. Never use the word things in essays or debates. Replace it with clearer words such as factors, issues, elements, aspects, components, considerations, responsibilities, materials, circumstances, or features. These sound precise and intelligent. Instead of a lot of, use numerous. Use a significant number of. Use a considerable amount of. Use multiple or abundant. Instead of saying a lot, say frequently, extensively, greatly, substantially, or repeatedly. Instead of say, use stronger verbs like state, assert, argue, explain, emphasize, propose, highlight, clarify, mention, or claim. These sound confident and persuasive. Instead of think, use, consider, analyze, conclude, infer, evaluate, determine, predict, assume, reflect, or believe. These show higher level thinking. Before submitting any work, always do three things. Scan for dead words. Replace them with academic vocabulary. Improve clarity and impact. Remember the golden rule. Strong words create strong arguments. Strong arguments lead to higher scores. This habit alone can improve your writing by 30%. Academic vocabulary shows clear thinking. Strong words create strong arguments. Precise language earns higher scores. Confident speakers persuade better. Final iLEAP rule. Weak words weaken your message. Powerful words strengthen your voice. Commit today to upgrading every sentence, elevating every argument, and excelling in every competition. Your language is your advantage. Sound confident. Sound intelligent. Sound persuasive. Good luck, iLEAP club members.